Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily add a subscribe button to your videos using the CapCut stock videos. So now you don't need to find or use a green screen subscribe button video from third party because CapCut provided on the stock video. So what you need to do is just go to the overlay button, add overlay, then go to the stock videos in CapCut. Here choose the green screen and you'll easily find the subscribe button to use on your video. So just click on that. Okay, this one, click on add, and you can just adjust the size and position it to your liking. You can also drag it. I'm going to put it in the middle, for example. And to get it off the green screen, just go to the cutout, chroma key, and then drag the color picker into the green screen. Adjust the intensity and also the shadow. Then you will be done. Click on a check icon. And here I'm going to put it on top like this, and your video will come with this subscribe button. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.